8:30 we were supposed to close. At 8:15 I get a call from the realtor, and he says, now don't freak out. And I'm like, that's not good. This video is brought to you by our Dining on a Dime cookbook. We have quick and easy recipes your family will love to help you get in and out of the kitchen fast. Please visit us at livingonadime.com. It's 25% off now. Okay, the moment has arrived. Truck number 1, full of Mom's stuff. Well, not full, about a third full of Mom's stuff. Hopefully Mike won't whack the neighbor's car coming back in. He's pretty good, so I don't think so. There he goes. He's got it. Should I do the beeping sound? Beep, 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 beep. There, does that sound official now? Okay. Here we go. It's official, Jack. What do you think?
It's official.
How does it make you feel?
Interesting.
Are you excited to go? Everybody wants to know if you're excited to go. You are?
Yes.
Yay!
I'm also slightly nervous because it's so different.
You're slightly nervous because it's so different? Yes.
Yes.
There are moments where Mom thinks, what in the world are we doing? Okay. Now we're backed up. All right, we chose Penske instead of U-Haul because U-Haul called us about 10 days beforehand and said, you may or may not have a truck. We'll let you know 2 days before moving. And we're sitting here thinking, I've got a reservation for 6 weeks. Why are you just telling me this? So we dumped U-Haul because everyone said U-Haul stinks anyway. And now we're going for Penske. All right. Exciting moment. All right, dear. What are your thoughts on this moment?
It's time.
How do you feel?
Pretty good, actually.
Pretty good? Do you think we can get it all in? Oh, man, I think we're going to have actually plenty. I think it's time to go furniture shopping.
So this is Jill's truck, and we're less full of her stuff than we thought. So I think between this and our truck, we should have plenty for us. And
so I get to go furniture shopping while you guys are loading?
well, why don't you wait till we get the second one half loaded, then we'll decide. She was already shopping at the thrift store yesterday when we haven't even loaded anything yet.
Okay, let's see how bad Mom's stuff is. Oh, not bad at all.
Really not bad.
Oh, have mercy.
Less than a third, maybe even a quarter.
Oh, I would say a quarter.
Yeah, it looks
Holy
like
cow, she has nothing.
That little stuff in the front we'll probably have to move for now, but
Wow. Yeah.
we have 2 full trucks.
She has nothing. Okay, good. I get to take all my garden stuff now. I'm excited.
Well, she has something, but the something that she has is nothing.
It's nothing. That's true. Okay, we're going to go eat our lunch, and then our helpers are coming. We're going to start loading. Okay, so we were quickly throwing together these orders. Got today's orders done. Got yesterday's orders done. We only have today's orders left, and that's it. Not too bad. Right behind there is a pallet full of books, so 1 pallet full of books is not bad at all. By the way, thank you everyone who helped us out with this huge sale. We really appreciate it.
I know.
Yeah, let's see if you're smiling in tomorrow night.
Yeah. I'll be smiling tomorrow night till we'll be done.
Raise me up. I can stand on the pallet jack. Or whatever.
You're not going very high.
Whatever do you mean?
You raise me up, huh? Okay, so had to make one last trip to Walmart before we leave town. And I saw this. Wait till you see this. Oh my goodness. Do you see that? Mulch. $1 for mulch. Do Do you think I could come buy 50 bags and throw them in the back of the pickup as we're going up? Mike would kill me. Oh my goodness. I'm having a hard time resisting temptation. Oh. Okay, so we did not get actual filming of the move.
What? What were we doing all that time?
Oh my goodness. Okay, so we're just going to tell you a little bit what happened. So we ended up having some guys from Mike's Bible study.
Thanks, guys.
Thankfully, come over on Sunday, and we started loading the last half of the first truck Sunday.
It was like 100 degrees, so I greatly appreciated them coming.
It was bad. It was pretty bad. And so we had one particular friend, thank you, Trent. He was really good at Tetris, and he really got it piled in there. And so we got the first truck pretty full. Well, totally full. And then we had to wait till Monday to go get the second truck. So then we got the second truck Monday morning. And so we got the second truck Monday morning and got it loaded. And that was probably worse than the first truck because we thought we had more space than we did, so we didn't pack very well. And then we ran out of space.
On the second truck?
On the second truck.
Well, and the second truck had a lot of the weird shaped things too.
Yeah. So that
ran out of boxes.
Yeah, so that was pretty bad. So then we didn't know until, let's see, Tuesday if the truck was going to be, our pickup was going to be fixed.
Yeah, so, they kept saying, our goal is to have it to you by the end of the day today. We're like, but it has to be packed before tomorrow.
We can't have it be a goal. We have to have it be a reality. And so we just took a leap of faith and left all the garden stuff off the big truck and sitting in the front yard. And so then all day Monday and all day Tuesday, it took us to pack the second truck. And we spent all day. And finally around noon or so they called and the truck did get done.
Yeah.
So although I think we got ourselves a lemon here, we've put $5,000 into it in the last 3 weeks since we moved. And now we have to have the engine rebuilt, it looks like, probably. So that probably wasn't the best idea. Should have just probably bought a new car. Oh well. So anyway, we Tuesday had a goal of 3 o'clock going to the hotel, bringing Jack's friends to the hotel so that he could see his friends one last time and go swimming at the hotel with his friends. We did not do that. We thought we would be done at noon. 3 o'clock ran around. We weren't even close to being done. And by 6 o'clock, we were ready to be divorced and call it quits.
Amen.
We were like, forget it. We do not move well together at all.
Well, there was a point where the boys and I asked her a question and she just walked right by blindly like she didn't see us at all. And Jack said, mom.exe is not responding.
I just couldn't handle one more question. I literally was getting bombarded with questions for the last 2 weeks. Literally a question every 20 seconds. And I just couldn't handle it anymore. So I was like, just figure it out yourself. So anyway, we finally at 6 p.m. pulled into the hotel and ready to go swimming. And as soon as we did, I kid you not, 150 cheerleaders pulled into the hotel. I was like, are you kidding me?
Like middle school age cheerleaders.
And I knew the pool would be totally full of these cheerleaders. So,
and the pool room said limit 12 people in the room.
So thankfully, Jack got to swim with his friends about an hour and a half before the cheerleaders made it to the pool. Thankfully. And Grandma came over to the hotel. Mike went and picked up Grandma. So we got to see Grandma and the boys got to see their friends. And then we went to sleep. Oh, and Ellie came over too, so we got to see Ellie. And then we finally got to sleep, and we got up the next morning to go to closing. And at 8:30 we were supposed to close. At 8:15 I get a call from the realtor, and he says, "Now don't freak out." And I'm like, that's not good. So apparently the new owners did the walkthrough at 8 o'clock that morning. They had come 2 weeks earlier to measure for curtains, so I thought they were getting all new curtains. So I took 2 sets of curtains from the basement, and the new owners wanted $500 for $50 worth of curtains from Walmart that I had paid. I was like, yeah, I don't think so. So I told, Mike was like, oh yeah, we'll just do it. I'm
Well,
like,
that's because in the
no.
contract we said we wouldn't take them.
Yeah, but we still owned the house. So I told him, I said, I'll go buy the curtains at Walmart and put them back up. I ain't paying $500.
But I was thinking if
For
we delay
$50.
closing for 15 minutes, then they'll have to schedule it for another day, and we'd lose that much money anyway.
So, but I was not going to give in. I'm like, nope. So we were talking to the realtor back and forth, and we finally got it down. We didn't have garage door openers and the 2 sets of curtains. So I said, okay, I'll agree to $250 for that, which was still ridiculously overpriced. It was $100 worth of stuff that they needed, but whatever. So we did $250. We actually went to Walmart while we were negotiating, and I rebought all the curtain stuff and was just going to give it to them at closing. Nope, they weren't going to have any of that. I'm like, yeah, whatever. They just wanted me to pay for their curtains. I'm like, I ain't paying $500 for your curtains. I'm sorry. So anyway, we got closed. Finally, we got on the road. We got BJ, and it was, why was it noon before we left?
Well, we had the closing, and then we...
Yeah, but that was only till 9 o'clock. I don't remember why it took us so... Oh, you had your eyes doctor's appointment.
And then you had to return the cable box to the cable place in another town, and then we had to go to BJ's house to get the truck and get that all squared away and dump a bunch of stuff at his house that he didn't pick up from our place because, the kids like to leave their stuff, but we weren't going to take it all the way to Wyoming.
Okay, that's what happened. So Mike had an eye doctor appointment, and I had to take the internet stuff back, and then we had to go to BJ's so that we could get the first truck, which his landlady so kindly let us park there the night before.
She was awesome.
Yeah, so we really appreciate that. Thank you. So, because she's a viewer, actually. We didn't know that. So, anyway, then we got on the road, and here's how we got on the road. All right, here's truck number 1, truck number 2, and there's Dave. And here's me, right here. So, we are on the way, we're getting gas. There they are. Don't know what they're doing. We've been on the road 3 minutes. How's the trip so far?
Interesting.
Are you excited for your new house?
Maybe.
How does it feel to be homeless? Now Dad's beeping for some reason.
Yep.
All right, we're getting gas. So the whole entire thing is completely full. 2 of those completely full. Wow. So there's the other one over there. These trucks are massive. And it's all full of my stuff. I have determined that my Cooper tendencies of hoarding have come out. All right, we're on our way. A little wimpy horn on that huge honking truck. All right, we're leaving colorful Colorado, and we are in Wyoming, where sanity has returned. Woo-hoo! Woo! Alright, we made it to Chugwater. About a third of the way there. Phew. Guys, if you're here, check out Prairie Homestead. They have the soda fountain, and one of these days we're going to stop as we go through.
Hello.
We made it to Casper.
Yep.
Does it feel like we're moving yet?
Yes, it's finally starting to feel like we're moving.
Okay, honestly, it's 6 o'clock at night. We are super tired. We closed at 8:30 this morning, and we have been trying to get there since then.
We've got about 2.5 hours before we get where we're going.
So, hopefully we'll make it.
Yep.
Yay! Alright, so we made it to our new home in Wyoming, and since this video got kind of long, we are going to do another video showing the house tomorrow, so you'll see the house tomorrow. Now
I can't wait to see.
We did close at 8:30 that morning, and we did not make it until 9 o'clock at night.
We were so exhausted.
To our new city. We stayed in a hotel, of course, because we didn't close till the next day, and we were so exhausted. I was like, just shoot me now. I just want to die. It's not worth it. I'll just let Mike and the kids figure it all out. I'm gonna go. But unfortunately I didn't die, so still had to deal with it. But yes, so if you guys want to see our new house, check out tomorrow's video. Please visit us at livingonadime.com, and we will see you guys next time.